Hello and welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create this 3D logo step by step, so watch till the end and enjoy. Let's get started. So first of all, take the ellipse tool, and draw a circle in the middle of the artboard. Then take the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle, press A to active direct selection tool, and rounded 4 side corner. Then place the rectangle shape over the circle, and make the color white. Then copy the rectangle to the left, so that the circle looks like letter N. Now select all the shape, take the Shape Builder tool, and minus rectangular part by pressing Alt from the keyboard. Select the shape you created, go to the Effect Control, 3D and Materials, 3D Classic, and click on Extrude and Bevel. For the older version of Illustrator, you will get Effect to Extrude and Bevel option. Now set all axis to 0. And set the perspective around 155, just play with it. And set the extrude depth 65%. Select the shape, go to the object, and click on Expand. Then right-click, and ungroup it. Select the middle shape, go to the Gradient panel, and apply Radial Gradient. Now select this black shape, and apply same Radial Gradient, but for this one we will try some blue and black color gradient. Select this shape too, and pick the blue gradient by the eyedropper tool. Now take the ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Go to the Edit, Cut, select all the shape, again go to the Edit, and paste it back. For the circle we will try another blue color. Okay, that's perfect. Now select this shape, copy it to the right and then copy it 2 times by 2 side. Select this 3 shape, take the Shape Builder tool, and minus the middle portion by pressing Alt from the keyboard. Now select this 2 shape, move, and place it here. Go to the Edit, Cut, and Paste in front. For this one, we will apply black-white radial gradient. For the second one, select, go to the Edit, Cut, and paste it back. Delete the extra shape, which we are not going to use by the Shape Builder tool. For this shape, make the color black, go to the transparency panel, change it normal to multiply, and set the opacity 20%. That's perfect. Now select this 2 mini shape, copy, and place it to the other side. Delete the extra shape by the Shape Builder tool. Now we will create a shape here to make highlight with the pen tool. Set the gradient color radial gradient to linear gradient. Copy the shape, place it to the other side. Now take Ellipse tool, draw a circle here too. Make sure one side of the gradient color white, and other side gradient color opacity 0. So this is our final logo. You will get the logo file in the first comment, so that you can better understand the shape and color. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, and comments. Thank you very much for watching, have a great day.